everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I'm back again with another tutorial. And today I want to show you how I've been making these tags, which I've made out of chipboard. So they're really sturdy and they're covered in paper, and the tag is just cut the same with chipboard, and then there's a little pocket, and inside I've just put some just sweet little tags. So I think they make nice little gifts, and a gift they can keep as well, because as I said, they're made from chipboard. And I put a little eyelet through there as well. So we're going to make one, and this is, I always forget the name as usual, my favourite paper. This is not a Stampin' Up! Die, this is a tag die that I've got, but I love it. So first of all, I've cut the tag out of chipboard, okay? It's just the chipboard I get from the designer paper. Then I have cut out 3 more of the same size, of the exact same tag. I want one for the front, I want one for the back, and then I also want one to cut across to make the pocket. Okay, so first of all we're going to glue the back on. So I'm just going to put the glue on the paper. Okay, so just literally stick that over the tag, and I'm just using a glue that I can move around for a little bit just to get it right. Okay, so that's the back. Then I want the front on. Okay, just stick that down, smooth that down. Gorgeous. And then we're going to have a little pocket, so just decide how big you want the pocket. So I'm going to just grab a pencil and I'm probably going to have my pocket about here. So I'm just going to mark it with a pencil, and you can cut it with a fancy die or some scissors or whatever you want. So I'm just gonna cut mine with the scissors. Alright, and that is gonna make our little pocket. So I'm gonna put some thin tape just along the sides and the bottom. Okay, and then what I'm going to do as well is I'm just going to give it a bit of a shape round so that it's not just sitting on the tag completely flat. And then I'm going to peel the tape. And we are going to put this onto the bottom of our tag. So again, just try and get it lined up so it's in the right place, and then just press it down on the side, and then that way you've got a little bit of a gap where you can fit your tags. Okay, so as well I've got some Blush and Bride ink, and I've just got a rare finger dabber, and I'm just going to test that there's no ink on it. No, there's not. And I'm just going to go around all the sides of like the chipboard as well, and I just think it helps it blend in, and also on the side of the paper as well. I think that just looks so much nicer like that. And then I've done a tutorial on these little rosettes, but actually I found another way to make them. I think I said that, so I'm going to have to show you. So I've just stuck a little sentiment on, and I'm going to pop this on the front of my little pocket, and I'm just going to use a little dimensional and stick that in the middle, just like that. I think that looks so sweet. And then I'm going to put an eyelet. I think we'll have a light pink eyelet, and I want a washer as well. So I'm going to take my crocodile, and I'm just going to pop the, I don't know if this will fit actually because I haven't punched the hole. The hole was already punched, see, from the die, so I think I'm going to have to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Then I'm just going to put the eyelet through, put the washer on the back, and then I am going to come in from this way. Okay, and just squeeze that together. Oh, and I haven't done it properly. Damn, never mind. There's our little eyelet in. Pretend our eyelet's in. The washer's come off, but never mind. And then I've got some little tags that I've cut out. So I don't know if this one might be too big. Yeah, we've got a little white one, Grapefruit Grove, and I had a little gold one. Yeah, and I've cut a little gold one out. Doesn't that look so pretty? And then I've got some Grapefruit Grove ribbon and some of the tulle ribbon, and I'm gonna just pop this through. And I'm going to use some twine to tie it. My battery's flashing as well. Hope it doesn't run out. So just pop it round there, and it's starting to go dark. I think it's going to rain. There is our gorgeous little chipboard tags, and there is the first one I made, and there is the one we've just done, which I think looks so pretty, beautiful, and you can do them in any design you want. You can put whatever you want in them. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. All the info will be on my blog, and I'll be back again soon with another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.